We are students from BM College, Farrukhnagar, Haryana, participating in Smart India Hackathon 2023. Myself Deepak.
Myself Kritika.
We are here to define the problem statement as follows. The user is expressing the need for a speech therapy in Hindi to help individuals with articulation problem in Hindi context. They emphasize the importance of including various therapy activities and techniques such as sound position, phoneme levels, picture-related exercises, and feedback on correct and incorrect word productions. It has to do with how well someone can move their lips, tongue, teeth, and jaw to make speaking sounds. Such an app would benefit professional children's and parents, and mention sharing English version link as reference. Some of the features of the software are: first, position level, in which position of sound will be shown; second, phoneme levels; third, people picture level, is in which word related picture should be present; fourth, support with the doctor or clinic; fifth, patient can track their progress; sixth, app will be fun with mini games and reward to make it more interesting.
There will be various exercises which will be provided in the software, such as lip placement exercise, tongue placement exercise, jaw placement exercise, teeth placement exercise. This app will be great use in this Hindi by benefiting various individuals and groups. Like children who struggle with speech sounds can use the app to practice correct punctuation in a fun, engaging way. Parents can use the app to support their children's therapy at home, allowing for consistent practice. Clinics and hospitals can use the app as a part of their therapy programs for children with articulation disorders. Users can track their progress over time, and therapists can monitor their patients' advancement through the app. The app's versatility makes it a valuable tool for a wide range of users, from children receiving therapy to professionals working in the field of speech and language disorders. It can improve the access to therapy resources and enhance the effectiveness of articulation therapy in Hindi. We look forward to find solution for this with SIH 2023. For more information and clarification and details of team working on this project, please have a look at description below. Thank you.